In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to create a basic page. For our example, I'm going to add a page to the web development site for web training. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Workbench, Create Content, Page. From here, I can create my page. The first thing I'm going to do is enter the title. We're going to call it Web Training. You'll note that the title field has an asterisk, which means it's required. Next, we'll have the teaser image. This image will not be displayed on this page. It's only used when the page is tagged to Twitter or Facebook, or when you search the website on the search page and it comes in the search results, or it'll show up on a hero card on the home page, or the other option is when you select this page for related content. And we'll see an example of that toward the end of this video. So I'm just going to add an image. And I'm going to search for an image, just some campus photo. And I'll select this one. Okay, so that takes care of our teaser image. And from here we can move to the body field. Now the body field is where most of the content of the page will go. So I'm just going to copy and paste some text in here. The bodies field itself has a lot of tools that we can format our text with. This is covered in a different video. So if you want to learn more about that, please see that video. Below the body field we have page paragraphs. This is a way of adding elements like sliders and cards to our page. There's a number of items here. Again, this is also covered in another video. Next, we come to the landing page field. Before I put this in, I want to show you what this page looks like without tagging the page to the landing field, to show how important the field is. There's a couple of things I want to note. There's no yellow tag bar, and also the contact information is not showing. In addition to that, the URL is sdstate.edu/webtraining. This will all change when we tag it to a landing page. So I'll click Edit, scroll down to the landing page. I'm going to tag this to the web development landing page. And now I'll save again. And now you'll notice we have the yellow tag, which links to the web development page, plus we have the contact information from the web development landing page. Also, our link up here has changed to University Marketing Communications /web development /web training. The reason why it has University Marketing Communications is because the web development landing page is also tagged under the University Marketing Communications page. So now go back and edit. Scroll down. Next we have breakout boxes. Breakout boxes are blocks of text on the right side of the page. We'll just add one for demonstration. Some text in here, call it training hours. You can also add more just by adding another box. I'll save this so you can see that. And here's our breakout box. I'm going to edit. So below breakout box we have page block. Page block, like the teaser image, does not display on this page. The page block, it allows you to reference this page on another page. And so this information we enter here will display on that page. I'll just put in web training, like the title, and then we'll just describe this with some text. And then we'll put in, we can also put in a call to action. We'll just do join us. After this, we have the related content. Now, related content is where this page block comes in. So here's where I will, on another page, reference this page so that this block will show up on that page. For our purposes here, I'll just link to the web development landing page. And I'll save. So here is the related content, but this is the page block from the web development page. So now if I click on here and I go to edit, this is the web development page, and I scroll down to the page block, this is the text. We put in web training, select our page, and then we save. And we scroll down, we will see our web training block. So here's our teaser image from the web training page, plus the text we put in, join us. So hopefully that makes sense. So now we'll go back to our web page and edit. There's two more things I want to cover here. So I'm going to cover social media links. So this is a place where we can add a Facebook feed. So you can add a new one. Basically, you would put in, this is the title of the Facebook feed. So you would want to put in something like something that describes your Facebook feed. So if I were to put in my personal one, I would say this is Terry Mollengrath's Facebook feed. And then here you would get you would put in the actual link to the Facebook feed. You can change the height, how tall you want your feed, whether you want it to show the cover photo or not. If you want to show the timeline normally, but if you also want to display the events and messages, if you want a Facebook call to action, true or false, if you want a Facebook feed small header, true or false, and then you can create your node, and that will create a new Facebook feed that will display on this page. But in our example here, I'm just going to use an existing one. So I'm going to add an existing. And save. We'll scroll down, and here we'll see that we have our Facebook feed. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is how to add a menu to the page. So on the side here, we have a menu setting. We can click Provide a Menu Link, and here you can select where you want this page to display. In this case, I want to find the Marketing and Communications landing page, and then under that I want to find the web development. So first thing I'm going to do is scroll through the list and find the University Marketing Communications link, and it's right there. And then from there I'm going to select web development. So now I can hit save. And now our menu displays under the web development on University Marketing Communications. There's another video that goes deeper into how to use the secondary menu. You can also check that video out. But that basically covers how to create a page on our website. If you have any questions, please contact websupport@sdstate.edu.